Okay, let's take a look at a small side table for small spaces. Now, this one has a two-in-one design. It could hold magazines, books, anything pretty much, portraits. Now, I actually use this for our end of the actual sofa where we actually set up our control, any other items. And not only that, we use it to put our drinks when we're watching TV and relaxing. Now, the whole structure took me about 15 minutes to put together. It has wood top and two different layers that you could tiers that you could set up your stuff in there. Well designed, well slim, fits pretty much anywhere in your bedroom or your living room. Or if you want to use it for your actual bathroom, you can do that for replacing your magazines. That's another place you could set it up. Now the whole system itself, it's very lightweight, slim, fits like I said in any other place that you require some small space for holding items. So very simple to put together. I hope you guys enjoy the video.